Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, today's video we will be discussing about off-campus recruitment drive from Capgemini. And yes, this is a bulk hiring again from Capgemini, which is for the engineering and MCA batches. So let's talk in details. What is the eligibility criteria, how to apply, and the last date and the selection process in details. So basically, the last date of registration is 1st of September, like here it is mentioned. And yes, after the registration in the second week of September, your assessments will get scheduled and the process will get started. Now the if you talk about the criteria which you have to, it is must to meet, which is like mandatory. So graduation 2021 batch pass outs can only apply for this, and you should have 60% and above in diploma or graduation, aggregate of till 7 semesters. Okay, and MCA, also it is 60%, which is still 5 semesters, and ME and MTech are also eligible. No percentage criteria for 10th and 12th, so which is a good thing, plus point, that they don't have any percentage criteria for 10th and 12th academics. Next is qualification, which is MCA, BTech, BE, open for all branches. So this is also a good point, that all branches they are being hiring for. MTech and ME must be only from IT or information science and computer science, as it is mentioned. Also, you should have a very good spoken and written English communication. Then you should be open to work in shifts, rotational shifts, and be open to relocate. Fine, as per the Capgemini, business requirement. Then one more point, that there will be a service agreement bond. Approximately, I'm not sure, it is approximately, I think, 1 year or so. So they'll let you know, but yes, there is surely an agreement bond. Then candidates should not have more than 1 year of gap between academics. So yes, consider 10th and 12th and post graduation. Fine, then you can go through in details. Rest important points: there should not be any active backlog at the time of appearing in the process. Shortlisted candidates will be invited for assessment and selection. And yes, so this is the entire process will be online. So this is how this is the eligibility criteria. You can go through in details. Now let's talk about the assessment, process, the selection process. So first step will be your technical assessment, which is a pseudo code. I will try to make a this stage video soon. Then second step is your multiple choice question based in English communication test. Then third is your game based aptitude test, and the last is behavioral. So fourth stage. This is not an elimination round, because this is just a behavioral questions. I think you'll get questions something like, there will be a question, it will be like somewhat likely, most likely, that type of questions will be here. And last round will be technical and HR round. So this is the entire process. I will try to make videos on game based and technical, plus multiple choice. For the next, only those candidates who have cleared the assessment, I mean first to three, they have cleared, will be invited for interview. So you can say that these all rounds are elimination rounds, because all the three, from first to three, it is mandatory, it is written here. Fine, so this is what you and yes, okay, so after clearing the assessments, you might get a work style report. So work style report is a PDF wherein they tell you about how you can what is your style report based on your behavioral competencies. So that doesn't mean that you're selected, or uh, that is that you will get in your email. Basically, that does not mean that you are selected. Fine, so this is what details are. Let's talk about how to apply. So you click here, register now. So this is based on Superset. I think you are aware of this platform. I think Cognizant and all also do conduct through Supersets. So yes, this is you can, the package would be approximately between 3 to 3.8 lakhs per annum. CTC would be. So package is also quite decent. You can apply for it. And yes, so apply now. You'll click here. You will fill in your email ID. So now you get to fill the entire application form, which is basic details, contact details, and your educational, previous education and internship work, photo and everything you should mention here. So this is how you're going to apply for it. Also guys, make sure that your resume is up to date, because they might at the time of interview they might pick questions from your resume, so that should be updated one. So all the stages you need to complete. This is very basic. I think you will be able to complete that. In case you have any doubt or query, do let me know in the comment section. Also guys, do share with your friends and apply as soon as possible. The last date is 1st of September, like I said. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for the latest updates guide. Till then guys, bye, have a great day, be safe.